Hey fantastic people, hey viewers, welcome to this show. This is Romance with Elegant, and then in today's episode I have a very fantastic personality who is here with me to co-present for you guys, and you are gonna have a fabulous and very fantastic experience. Alright, so let's have you.
Hello, my name is Helen Kuzi.
Alright, so her name is Helen, as she has rightly said, and today's topic is really very intriguing. I know you're gonna love it. And guess what? The topic is how to make anyone fall for you. Alright, so you're watching me right now and you've been thinking, wow, how can I make people just like me? How can I make myself to be irresistible in an organization? When you enter a place and you're looking for a job or a contract and people just give it to you, or you're in a relationship and you can't afford, your partner can never afford to miss you. Watch this show to the end and you are going to thank me later, because we have a lot to unfold to you. So go nowhere. Let's dig deep into it.
Hey viewers, welcome to my show. My name is Elegant and this is Romance with Elegant, bringing you that romantic moment and a spark of happiness in your relationship life.
In life, guys, taking the easy way out does not always turn out to be good at the end of the day. Sometimes, and even more often, you just have to learn to stick to the hard way.
It is very easy to walk out of a relationship, and also it is very easy to walk out from someone who is always annoying. It is very easy to cheat in a relationship or anywhere you find yourself. Cheating is very easy.
It's also very easy to take bribe and then sell your conscience for money that will finish one day and then you go broke again. It's also very easy to commit all sorts of atrocities and then back it up with what seems like a tangible reason to do so.
So these things are very easy, but then it is very hard. It is very hard to stay committed in a relationship even when you both are having issues. It is very hard to stay with an annoying individual, especially an annoying boss. So there's every reason to take the easy way out and walk away. But trust me, if you don't, there's always a great reward awaiting you.
In our society today, it's very easy to take bribe. Most especially, guys, in a political season like this, when politicians will come all out and offer you a lot of money just for you to sell your conscience, vote them into office, and then they go in there with their evil intentions. And then if you do, you end up regretting at the end of the day.
It is also very easy to get into prostitution or to sleep with people for money just because you're in need.
But the question is, have you ever tried the other way around? I mean, the hard way. Have you ever tried to walk away and say no to those things that seem right unto you? Because the Bible simply says, for the way that seemeth right unto a man, the end thereof, Helen, leads to destruction. Alright, so I have a question for Helen, and she has some to throw to me. And let's get started. So Helen, alright, so I want to ask you this question. Is it really possible for a lady in line with the context of today to walk out of sex even when offered a lot of money for it?
Of course.
Alright, so how?
It is very possible. It is possible for a lady to walk out from sex offer when offered money.
Right.
Do you know, we ladies, we have different personalities. There are people who would jump on that offer.
Right, yeah.
A lot of them are proud to tell you, oh, I'm into streets. This is what I do for a living.
Wow.
Let's get started.
That's
But
funny.
some would walk away with their shoulders high, with their self-respect, their self-worth. Alright?
Yeah, I got you. I got you. So does it really matter to have that self-worth?
It matters. It matters.
Right.
When you have that self-worth, have self-respect, and people will mess around with you.
Oh, that's great.
They will know this lady is like this. They wouldn't even have the guts to put that offer to you. Think about your life, think about your self-respect. Think about what do you teach your children when they grow up.
Helen, what if she has a very pressing need, right? A house rent or maybe someone's life is at stake, and then she has to just do this. Someone says, I'm going to double the amount for you. Just come on bed with me and just a few minutes.
There is always a way out.
Wow.
So there's always a way out.
So you mean to tell me that she should not do it?
If she doesn't want to do it, she doesn't have to do it.
Oh.
Do you understand?
Right.
There are other ways to raise money for those pressing needs. You mustn't get into bed with big men, with men that are not even your boyfriend, that are not even your husband. Do you understand?
I get you.
So there are other ways. That's not the only way. For the fact that that's not the only way, why then do it? Why don't you try another way?
I get that.
So you tell me, does it really matter for guys to walk away in situations like this?
Helen, when you say does it matter, yes, it does matter. Sleeping around for money as a guy does not make you a man. You are still a baby. You're not even a boy, you're a baby. So for me, it's really possible for guys to stay off sexual activities for money. Yeah, it's actually very possible. Helen, what's your advice for ladies according to the context of today?
So ladies, let me tell you something. I know it's not easy. It is not easy, yes. But try. Give it a try. Start with something small. If it's business you want to do, make it a passion. Enjoy what you do. Make it a hobby. Do you understand? By then you wouldn't even know that you're stressed. That stress is going to be so stressful. You wouldn't even notice that because it's you're doing it with your whole heart.
Yeah.
You understand? So elegant. Tell me, what's your advice for guys?
Yeah, it's really very simple. Just like you said, ladies have to be what? Have self-worth. Guys also have to have self-worth.
Okay.
I mean, you don't have a life if all you do is go around with sugar mummies. If all you do is just sleep with people for money. Alright? You don't have a life. You will have a life by the time you start making your own money. Look for what you can do that will fetch you 1-2 naira together and you keep growing in it. Start right now and think about what to do, and then you are going to live a better life, a happier life, and a more successful life. So that's my advice for you.
So thank you.
So Helen, say your last word to the viewers.
So you guys, thanks for watching. Keep watching. Listen to the advice. It's going to help you a whole lot. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much guys. I want to see you in my next show. I'm happy to be here. Peace out.
Peace out.